Today I'm checking out this little 5-watt laser machine from AlgoLaser, priced at 230 USD at the time I'm making this video. Let's go and see what's inside. This is the smoke pipe and flange interface. Connect the machine either to a smoke purifier or place it out the windows. Since I'm just shooting a demo video, I will disconnect the pipe for now. This is 3mm plywood sample comes in the box. And this mini plastic hammer is actually a focal gauge. Open the magnetic top lid and rotate the knob to adjust focus. I'll just use the cat keychain sample that came with the machine. One nice thing about the machine is I can do all this without a PC. The blue light is just for framing, so don't worry about my eyes and fingers. This is real-time speed. The keychain took about 4 minutes and 30 seconds to complete. That was engraving, and here is cutting the outline. I can easily bring the machine to wherever I want. All I need is power supply and start a laser engraving business on the spot. The result is pretty clean in my opinion. Next, I will try the text function. Yes, now's the time to subscribe if you haven't already. Here I can pick a contour shape and set the material thickness. By the way, the task won't run if the lid isn't closed properly. Next, I tried sketching function using stylus pen provided. Anyway, this is just a regular stylus. Just like before, I can pick a shape and adjust output size here. That's not all. This machine also supports roller and chuck mode. Wait, what about engraving bigger and taller object? Yes, I can adjust the machine height. Just loosen the 4 screws on the back and lift it up to 100 millimeters more. I didn't even have to use the Type-C cable. Overall, I like this machine very much. Alright people, thanks for watching.